Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get a Zoom meeting link. There are a few different ways to do this, depending on your situation. The first way is if you haven't started the meeting yet and want to start one right now. On the orange New Meeting button, click the small arrow next to it. Then, hover your mouse down and select Copy Meeting Link. When you start the meeting, just send this link to people so they can join. The second way is if you've already used the Schedule feature to set up upcoming meetings. For any scheduled meeting, you can click on the three dots icon next to it and then select Copy Invitation. This will copy the meeting details, which includes your meeting link. If you're already in a meeting and need to grab the link, the easiest way is to click the Info icon in the top left corner of the app window. Just hover your mouse over that area, and the icon will show up. Click on it, and all your meeting details will pop up. From here, you can easily copy the link by clicking the copy icon right next to Invite Link. You'll also see the meeting ID and passcode right there as well. In case you don't see the info icon at the top, just head down to the bottom toolbar. Click on the More button, select Meeting Info, and then click on View Join Info. The full information panel will show up, and you can easily copy the invite link to share with everyone.